Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to share your whiteboard screen with the participants or your students on Zoom. For that, all you have to do are make sure that you are in a meeting. For example, if I'm in a new meeting, consider there is a live meeting going on, and if you want to share your screen to, or you want to use a whiteboard to explain to student by writing. So for that all you have to do, click on this option called share screen. In here you see the all screens that are available to you for editing, for writing. So I'll be sharing this whiteboard screen in here, and you got to go and click on whiteboard screen and click on share. That way your audience is going to see this complete screen. I would suggest you to make it a full screen. Now you can see it, and these are the editable options for your screen. In here you can write a text. You want to write anything in particular, you want to write down or draw something, this is a pencil, you can choose. And for color you can choose for stamps, these are just tiny stamps. For example, giving somebody a heart, a star, a yes mark, for making it look cooler. This is something you put importance on. For example, this word is important, I'll keep it like this, giving it a next headline. Or if I want to make my cursor like more people can see it easily, I can use this as well. I can erase everything by using this one. And for format, I can use the color of drawing whatever I want. I can even use the font, the size, whatever I want is under my control. And here you can undo what you have done and redo what you have, undo it. And in here you can always clear all the drawings and do it. And even you can save it or stop sharing the screen at the end of the video. If you have continued giving lecture, this is where your picture is going to show up. This is, you can even mute yourself. So I'll suggest you to stop sharing, and that way done, you have stopped sharing. And now finally we're going to end the meeting in here. And this way you have learned how to share a whiteboard screen. And if you think you have learned something new, please make sure to leave a subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because this way we can create more, and this way it will help us earn more. Thanks for watching. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.